Mic test, mic test, mic test.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today, we have a new video again, and this will be a review, first impression, and try on, because this is my first time trying this product, and we are going to test this product as in now na dito sa video ito to see how effective this would be on me. And I know you already have an idea based on my thumbnail. So ayan. So before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And without further ado, let's proceed with the review.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So, eto, nagsascroll ako over Amazon, and for the longest time, even though tinitingnan ko sa mga pictures and sa videos, possibly na-notice nyo that you can see that my teeth are not that perfect, not that white, yellowish siya, which we all know that yellow teeth are very strong, diba, compared sa white. And I've also asked my dentist before, nung nagbe-brace na ako, if I could do bleaching. And then she told me it's not recommended because I would face the challenge of having sensitive teeth. So ako pa naman yung person na mahilig sa dessert. So weighing upon the situation, of course, if recommended ng dentist, why not? Because it's for sure for the good of my teeth. So ayan, and it's kinda sometimes bothering naman. But then if wala namang problem, so okay naman ako sa teeth ko. Pero yun nga, I just wanted to have this. Ayan kasi, parang sa video na ano ko, nakikita ko talaga yung white teeth. So, a little background. Ito palang teeth ko. Nag-brace ako before 3 years ago. And then, ito kasi yung front part ko. Overbite ako and then nagagalito siya. So, straight na siya. And if very critic kayo ha, sa mga videos, kung na-notice nyo mayroong crack na part dito. Kasi, short story, when we were kids, my brother and I were playing hide and seek, and then he was carrying a knife, so I was hella scared, of course. I hid in my room, and then he kept on banging on the door. And then, you know, when you were still kids, of course, you thought this will be just like a game, but of course, if something happened or accident, I would not take risks with that. So I press hard on the doorknob, yung lock, ano siya, yung lock doon, and then because I was pressing it for such a long time and too hard, it got stuck. And the problem is, it's just me and my brother. We don't have the keys, and so I had to bite that lock. Alam niyo, you know that lock? It's the old, hindi naman siya yung bonggang doorknob na pag ganun-ganun, diba? Yung ganun, pindot-pindot, ganun-ganun. So, I had to bite through that just so I can just pull it out and then set myself free from my own bedroom. So, yeah, that's the history of this cracked teeth. And my dentist already, how do you call that? Para she adds something this so that it would look straight, but sadly, I didn't take precautions of eating hard food. So, here I am back with this cracked front teeth. Yeah, so that's the history. And now, back to this purchase. So, I was I was scrolling through Amazon, and then, it's like out of nowhere, oh, I saw this teeth whitening kit. And I've read and watched some reviews. It was effective. So, this is this is the My Smile Professional Teeth Whitening System. I was thinking of having the strip, but then Crest was really expensive and it's way out of my budget. And so I based my purchase with the average stars and reviews from Amazon, and that's the reason why I have this teeth whitening kit with me. So a little info about the product. Of course, I'm going to read it over Amazon. So this is the My Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. 10 minutes, 10 minutes express results, stain remover, non-insensitive LED accelerator light with 18% carbamide peroxide. So, of course, I did some researching, and carbamide peroxide is used for removing earwax. But of course, it's not for the earwax, it's for the teeth. So, as for the teeth, it is used as a disinfectant and for its teeth whitening effect. So, I think that's why it only has 18% of carbamide, because possibly it's a bit too strong if it will be higher than 18%. That's what I think. So, with this one, for the price in AED, I think meron naman to sa Philippines or sa Amazon for sure. Kasi if you're going to, I think, order from the Philippines or Amazon, it will be either purchase international or either sa warehouse. Sa warehouse nila. So, I got this for 136 dirhams. So, 136 if you're going to compute it or convert it into peso, which is possibly nasa 13 something kasi bumababa na siya. It will be 1,768 for this kit. And let's cross finger that I get what I paid for, more than what I paid for this product. So, ayan, let's open this product. So, first, before we start, let's have a closer look of my teeth. Because earlier, I've already told you I have yellow teeth. So, ayan, at least you'll have an overview, a closer look of my teeth. Di naman siya shameful but I have a healthy teeth. So, proclaim healthy teeth. So, yan. As you can see closer pa, yan. Pahiyam yung sarili mo, G. So, meron akong lip and cheek tint lang and cracking yung lips. Okay, so hayaan nyo na tong part. Ayan yung teeth ko. Etong part, na-whiten up naman to siya when I am using the activated charcoal. Eto, natatanggal yung yellowish stain yan. Pero, yung itong part talaga, ano ba yan? Naglalaway pa. Ulit. As you can see, I have a yellow teeth again, and mostly the molar parts are the ones who are more yellowish in color rather than the front part. Because for the front part, whenever I notice that it starts to get yellowish stains, I use this Jadol Naturals na 3D carbon and coconut teeth whitening. It's like an activated, which is not. It is really an activated charcoal, which is a whitener and detoxifier. And I've noticed that when my teeth gets really yellowish, especially this front part, after I brush my teeth with this one, once or twice, the color lightens a bit, but not to the point that it really did whiten. It lightens up the color to the point that it is a bit whitish, like a dirty white color. So, but mostly the problem is this part, especially my canines. It really gets yellowish. So now I was hoping this product would help me achieve that brighter, maybe not like those pearly white na pang commercial na na teeth, but I was hoping, cross finger, for this one that it could help lighten up, especially this side. Because every time, for example, I take pictures, I have white teeth in here. Of course, not white, but mostly this part, iba yung color niya. This looks different than my front teeth. So, without further ado, let's really open this product. So, ayan. So, I received this. So, let's open. So, they have this My Smile logo with a lips. And then, at the back, it includes a 1 My Smile teeth whitening kit, a 3 ml My Smile teeth whitening gel, a 1 universal comfort fit tray, 1 instruction manual, and a whitening shade. Let's start. Kasi meron silang, meron silang, ano nga ba to? Whitening shade. So, ayan, malalaman na natin, besh. We are now going to look for the shade of my teeth, which we have from 1 the whitest and 13. Oh, 13 is from, hindi siya yellowish siya. Parang going dark na siya. Very old teeth. So, let's take a closer look. So, I think nasa shade na 7 ako. Ayan, kita-kita niyo crack. So, this is the 7. This is the whitest. So, ayan, 7. I am on the shade 7. And then, For the manual, first, you have to take the batteries out of the LED light, remove plastic, and reinsert batteries to turn it on. And then, attach mouth tray to LED light. Apply 0.5 of My Smile whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the tray. Insert the light with the tray into your mouth. Let's enjoy the whitening process, which they say would last for about 15 minutes. The LED light will automatically turn off. It will beep in 10 minutes interval for your convenience. Avoid eating or drinking staining foods and beverages for 1 hour. So, for this step, repeat it 2 to 5 daily for 7 days or until desired result are achieved. Whitening for 7 days consecutively. We recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks before whitening your teeth again. Okay, so we are done with the whole treatment, and earlier you saw how too much saliva was accumulating inside my mouth. And the thing that I observe is there's a little bit of stinging sensation over the side of my lips, but it's not something to be scared about. And then for the taste, there's a bit of alam niyo yung parang para siyang hydrogen peroxide, basta parang yung mga ganun na feeling yung taste niya, pero hindi naman siya something na threatening. And then, for the result, so I failed for the first attempt because the instruction says that you should put 0.5 on the upper and the lower. But for me, it didn't even reach 0.5 for both the upper and lower. So, this was the result. So, if you have seen, there's a white spot under this front teeth of mine. And then, I think the solution only reached the upper part, like the crown of my teeth, not exactly on the front areas of my teeth. That's why I failed, and then the solution was not enough. So, as per instruction, you can use that treatment for 2 to 5 times daily for 7 days. And after that, you can use this treatment again after 1 month or more, depending on the condition of your teeth or the staining of your teeth. So later, I would redo the treatment because I did really fail on the first attempt. But I've seen a little bit of results. So probably I would apply more than 0.5 over that silicone, the one that you put inside your teeth. And then I will update you onwards until I've seen the best results so far. Not exactly really white, but at least it really did whiten my teeth. So, yeah, I would add the days that I will be using this treatment, or possibly not every day, because for sure I would really miss because of work. But then I would really update over these videos. So, yun nga, ginamit ko yung itong parang whitening meter, and nasa 7 ako. And for grading my teeth now, nasa 5 or 6. So, for my front teeth, I was able to reach 5. But iniisip ko kung di ata ako nag-skip ng mga for 1 week, baka possibly umabot pa ako ng 4. So, yun, nasa 5 and 6, which means effective tong product. It's just, kailangan maging consistent, and yun nga, yung proper positioning. Yun, I believe na kailangan mo talagang nakaganito kaya para hindi masok yung product sa laway mo din. Mangyayari is, ipapatuloy ko pa rin to hanggang maubos na tong isang syringe ko. Kasi pwede pa siyang, if 0.5, may mga parang 2 or 3 gamitan pa ako dito bago ko fully maubos yung product. Ayaw nga pala, again, I purchased this My Smile Teeth Whitening Kit from Amazon. For sure, if you're in the Philippines, meron naman siya if you're going to check it over sa Amazon Philippines, kasi yung mga product naman doon is siniship internationally mula sa ibang bansa, di ba? So, go ahead, you can check Amazon yourself and look for this My Smile Whitening Kit. Wala akong porsyento dito. I purchased this with my own money. And then, I will further update you on my IG, which is yun nga, wala na masyadong update sa IG. At saka nag-change ako ng feed sa IG ko. So guys, that's it for my review. I hope you find it helpful and you could try this My Smile Kit. Maraming whitening kits sa Amazon, or if you knew some online shop, you could try them. Kasi consistency is the key talaga sa any product na ginagamit mo. Hindi ka naman makakita ng drastic change, but at least patience is a virtue, diba? So, ganon. And please don't forget to subscribe again and click the like button. Thank you for the new subscribers and mga viewers. So, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!